You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. There are other videos on YouTube that get it completely wrong, the name of this fraternity. It's pronounced Sigma, you probably knew that, and then Chi. Other videos say Chi. No, it comes from the Greek letter Chi, alright? So it's Sigma Chi, not Sigma Chi. Sigma Chi is the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.